I'm standing on a termite mound not far from the lodge, and the sun has just come up, and I'm going to take a walk through the bush here because there's a little herd of zebras that I want to try and get as close to as possible. But while I'm filming, please forgive me, I've got to watch where I put my feet. This is the feeling one will get when you do a bushwalk first thing in the morning. It is the winter bush, so it's a little bit dry, as we are not a winter rainfall area. So we are a summer rainfall area. Look at the light on the trees first thing in the morning. Absolutely stunning. And let me see how close I can get to these zebras. I don't want to startle them. I don't want them to run away. We want our visitors to see and study them and look at them quietly and in peace. So we try and respect their space. Let's see if I can get a closer view of them. There we go. You can just see those stripes. Absolutely stunning. And look at the light. First thing in the morning, while a lot of people want to sleep, it's not the time to sleep. This is the time to do your bushwalk. If you come to this area near the Kruger National Park, this is what you want to do. You want to walk early morning because this is what you want to see. The peace of the bush. Look at them. Absolutely stunning in the light. Absolutely stunning. Let's see how much closer I can get. I don't want to chase them, so I'll walk slowly, but at the same time I've got to look where I'm going. And then you'll notice that one or two of them is a little bit fat, although they always look very healthy, the zebras. One or two of them might be pregnant. So again, we don't want to cause any stress whatsoever. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. I'm not here to hurt you. How absolutely stunning is that? Look at that. Beautiful. So if you're into bushwalks or if you're into learning about nature, then we are not far from Open Gate, Kruger National Park. This is what you want to experience. You want to experience these animals really close up. Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Look at that stunning picture with the light. Love it.